Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'm going to show you a recipe which is a favorite in my house. It's an all-time favorite in my house. It's the bread roll, but with a chicken and cheese stuffing in it. So for the stuffing, you're going to need some boneless chicken, which we're going to saute in little oil and some spices. So I've taken a tablespoon of oil, and once the oil gets hot, I'm just going to add in some garlic paste. Once the garlic is slightly golden and the raw fragrance of it goes away, I'm going to add some pepper, and then I'm going to add the chicken. So I have taken a little more than quarter kg of boneless chicken, which I've cut into tiny cubes. I'm going to saute this till it is cooked. I'm going to add some salt to this. I'm not going to add too much salt because anyway cheese is a little salty. And now I'm going to cover this and cook it till the chicken is done. It's almost 3 to 4 minutes since the chicken was cooking. So this is going to take another 3 to 4 minutes more to cook, and we'll just cook it without a lid. The chicken is done. Now let's go further with the recipe. I have got 4 slices of bread, which I'm going to just flatten with a rolling pin. We're going to slightly moisten the bread with little water. Just a little dab of water. Roll it again. And now we'll add our stuffings. I'll add some capsicum on the bread first. Then some celery. Coriander. Some cheese. Lots of cheese actually. And some pieces of chicken. And I'm going to just fold this. Nice and tight. Take little water if you need. And I'm going to keep this aside. Similarly, we'll do this with the rest of the slices. I've kept some oil to heat here. It's nice and hot, and now I'm going to fry these bread rolls golden and crisp. So our bread rolls are fried nice and golden. Now let's plate this dish up and make it look even more beautiful. So I have dressed these chicken and cheese bread rolls with some mayo and ketchup. You can use your own creativity and probably have it with some mustard, mayo, or whatever that you like. So do try this recipe and let me know. For such quick fix recipes, keep watching Get Curried.